Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Air fryer with grill, premium product from Silvercrest. Works as an air fryer with lid closed and grill with lid open. Hot air technology, healthy, delicious and fast. You can adjust the temperature from 40 to 230 degrees Celsius. Cooking time from 1 minute to 6 hours. Easy to use with touch screen display. 1 meter cable and 2460 watts power consumption. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. One meter cable, thick cord, we have the manual, black mat, plastic, the handle, now let's see one by one what we have in the box. We have the grill plate. Always you need to use the grill plate when you are cooking. The pan, the frying insert, max capacity, it says here. And inside we have the heating element at the bottom here at the base and at the top with a splash guard here. Nice. I like how it closes and it opens. Nice. And of course here at the front we have the control panel. I will show you how you can use it. At the bottom you can remove that and clean it. Here we have the temperature sensor. You can remove, it is for storage, the sensor, and connect it here. You can insert the temperature sensor inside at the chicken, the old chicken. You can cook chicken, meat, whatever you want. Insert the temperature sensor. And that's how it will know what temperature it has inside. And when you're not using it, you can storage the sensor here. At the back we have ventilation. It's getting too hot, it says here. The outlet for the grill plate. Here it is, the outlet. We can see here. Perfect. And use the pan or the frying insert. It is your choice. It depends what you are cooking. You can use only the grill for meat, steaks, you name it. For the whole chicken, you can use this pan. Around at the huge lid we have silicone rubber. It will seal very well the whole compartment where it's cooking. You can open. So let's move on, plug it in and see how it works. Now at the control panel we have the on-off switch start-stop program, the display. With this button you can select the programs. Right now it is on steak chops, whole chicken or small roast piece. We can see 200 degrees 15 minutes by default. Frozen French fries, 190 degrees Celsius, 24 minutes by default. Poultry in peas, 200 degrees Celsius, 15 minutes. 170, the pizza, 20 minutes. Fish, 160, 15 minutes. Muffins, cakes and baked goods, 150, 20 minutes. Barbecue skewers, 150, 12 minutes. Vegetables, 180, 25 minutes. Dehydration of fruits and vegetables, 110, 30 minutes. And thawing, 60 degrees Celsius, 10 minutes. And again, you can choose from the beginning the program. For each program we have the default values. Here it is the button for the external sensor. If I will remove the sensor, we can see we don't have any more access to control. Again, plug in the sensor and then by pressing you can adjust, decrease and increase. Press and hold, it will go faster. Maximum 150 degrees Celsius. Current temperature, it is 26 degrees Celsius from this sensor. To use this sensor, you need to cook with the lid open. When I'm opening the lid, I can hear the sound. If I will remove the pan, add pan. It is a smart air fryer. And close. And again, choosing other programs. By default we can see. No, we can't use this program because it's for the French fries with the external sensor. Not that. Not even the pizza. The fish, we can use that. (150 degrees Celsius is the target temperature. Not for muffins. Not for barbecue skewers. Nope. Not even for vegetables. Dehydration, nope. And not for thawing. Definitely for steaks. And we have the preheating button, you can skip or enable, the grill symbol and the fan symbol. So let's say you are using the steak on, it says 3 minutes. If I will open the lid, it will stop. And of course you can pause and resume. And now you can add food and it will start the cooking process. The 3 minutes, it was the heating time, preheating time. Add the food. And when you close the lid, it will start the cooking process, 10 minutes. And if you want, you can add more time. There it is, so easy. And stop. Or the target temperature with the lid open, you need to have the sensor inside the food and start. And we can see is increasing the temperature, the sensor it is inside, so the grill is increasing the temperature from the heating element. Let's see when it goes to 80 degrees Celsius. And okay, nice. And inside of the lid we can see and the fan. You can remove this cover and clean it, remove the screw, wash it under the water. Now let's start the cooking process. Whole chicken, 200 degrees Celsius. Starting the preheating time. Add the food. There's the chicken, whole chicken, 1.6 kilogram. I don't think so in 15 minutes it is enough to cook this chicken. I didn't see in the manual anywhere the maximum weight that needs to be the chicken. So this is 1.6 kilogram. Let's see the results. Maybe we need more time. We will see. Okay, let's check. Nope, definitely I need more time. So now I'm going to disable the preheat time and adjust the temperature 185 for another 30 minutes. Slow cooking. So there is another 9 minutes. I will pause. I need to check. Oh, very crispy. Okay. Okay. Nice. I think for the chicken it's better to choose 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, not 200 degrees Celsius. Slower cooking and temperature. Okay, let's remove now. Time for the French fries. One kilogram. We don't need a preheat time. Now for the French fries, shake or turn after 1/3 and 2/3 of the cooking time. I think this is for the 500 grams, and for the 1 kilogram, shake or turn after 1/4, 1/2 and 3/4 of the cooking time. Ready. Nice and crispy, I like it. And now time for the frozen Alaska pollock fillet. (190 degrees Celsius) for 15 minutes. No preheat. Wow, nice cook it! And that wraps up our look at the Silvercrest air fryer with grill. This really is a kitchen powerhouse, bringing together the crispy perfection of air frying with the delicious char of grilling, all in one compact device. With its impressive 2460 watts of power, and a wide temperature range from 40 to 230 degrees Celsius, you can fry, bake, grill, roast, and even reheat your favorite meals with up to 90% less fat. It's truly about enjoying healthier, incredibly versatile cooking at home. If you are looking to revolutionize your kitchen and enjoy a huge variety of dishes with less oil, the air fryer with grill is a fantastic, budget-friendly option. What's the first dish you try cooking it? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews and healthy cooking tips, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!